Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and add a watermark here on Capcut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now let's go ahead and say that I want to go ahead and add a watermark in our video right here. And if you want to go ahead and do that, you could do that by adding some text or images here on your video. So I have this tutorial video right here, and for example, I want to go ahead and add some logo. I'll go ahead and drag on one of my logos right here. I'll go ahead and place it into our timeline, and you will then be able to see this huge image right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and turn this into a watermark, you could just go ahead and lower down its opacity. So just go ahead and click on our image right here. And once inside, you want to go ahead and look for the blend option. Just go ahead and expand this option right here and you have your opacity. You could just go ahead and lower down the opacity in a way you want to. I want to lower my opacity at 20% so the people can still go ahead and see what's going on behind our watermark right here. And if you want to go ahead and add a text watermark, you could just go ahead and add another text right here. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and add this template, and let's just go ahead and say that I want to caption my channel right here. So I'll just use the guide nation, and you can go ahead and adjust it in a way you want to, of course. And once again, just go ahead and lower down its opacity. And in that way, we have the text watermark right here, and we also have the logo. So when I go ahead and play out the video, you can go ahead and see both of the watermarks that we have put into our video right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and always thank you.